Valmet factory. I'm making a bronze bushing like this one. Now I should to try make a grease channels like this one and then another one. Here is no bronze channels yet, but I should to make it. I already set the cutting tool into the tool post and I set the feeds on the machine, and now I can show this is a clutch of my machine, a little bit turn back and you can see how fast moves the carriage. This action will take a very, very high attention. The speed is 200 millimeters per revolution. It's very, very, very high feed rate, and here I make a channel for like this one for grease, and this will be like a limit. And I try to set camera somewhere and to film how I work this job.